Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove facial verification in Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up Binance and log in. And now once you're logged in, we want to click onto the top left hand corner, the Binance logo, and this is going to take us into our profile. And you'll see your profile name at the top here. And now again, click onto your profile. And then we're going to have we're inside account center here. We can see VIP privilege, verification, security, etc. And now click onto where it says verifications. And now this is where your facial recognition is going to be. It's going to be inside here where you can go ahead and remove it. So because I'm not verified, I can't show you exactly, but right here it will say security and then it'll say passkeys biometrics. Go ahead and click into that, and then from there go ahead and remove the facial recognition from there. If you have any issues, contact Binance customer support and they'll help you remove your facial recognition as well.